unsure if they'd be able to work with laser clients without an aesthetic license.
The answer is yes. In the state of Massachusetts and almost every state in the United States of America, it's a misconception that somebody has to be an esthetician to fire lasers. Here's the quirky states. In Florida, it's quirky because to fire lasers, you have to have an electrolysis license, which is idiotic. It's 300 hours of doing electrolysis, which kind of electrocutes the hair and then do lasers. California's quirky license, you have to be a nurse to do lasers. And in Georgia, you have to be an esthetician to fire lasers. Almost every other state in the United States of America, you guys, there may be one or two more, I'm not remembering, but like Massachusetts, for example, most states people think you have to be an esthetician to fire laser. You don't. The cosmetology board, which oversees estheticians, will always say you can't fire a laser as a cosmetologist. Well, they're 100% right. If you open up a little hair salon and do facials and peels and cut hair and you report the cosmetology board, you cannot fire a laser. But guess what? If you're either going to work for somewhere that has lasers, they have to have a medical director. Cosmetology board isn't involved. The medical director delegates. They don't give a shit about the cosmetology board. It's separate entities, separate delegation. It's not relevant. Or if you start a business one day and get lasers or get injectables, you have to have a medical director. So you fall into the medical laws. So the second you step into the world of lasers, injections, you leave the world of cosmetology and aesthetics, you step in the world of medical, which is only supervised by the medical board. So estheticians always have this misconception that, oh gosh, or the career changers have a misconception, I have to be an esthetician, do lasers. Absolutely not. No, if they want to be an esthetician because they want to get into facials and peels, microderm and permanent makeup and allergy, yes, God bless you. Be an esthetician too, and a laser tech, and a nurse, whatever. But you don't have to be an esthetician to do cosmetic technologies, just as an FYI, outside of like 2 states.